Imagine running several successful business accounts, reaching thousands of people, and then your Instagram profiles get suspended. Sounds like your worst nightmare, right? Well, hang on, as I share how to prevent this and manage multiple Instagram profiles using proxies. Instagram proxies are servers that stand between you and the social media platform. They act as a middleman and lend you a unique IP address tied to a specific location. While Instagram allows up to 5 accounts per one IP address, and if you don't follow the rules, your profiles are prone to be blocked. But luckily, a proxy service lends its IP pool, so each IP address opens extra slots for 5 Instagram accounts. So, how do you use multiple proxies for multiple accounts? In this software, you can manage unlimited accounts and proxies. Adding accounts is quite simple. Just click Add Account. If you've purchased accounts, they will usually come in a specific format like the one shown here, and you just need to select it. If not, feel free to contact me and I'll help you import them. 2. Add proxies to your accounts. Go to Proxy Management. Since I'm using static proxies, I'll click on Static Proxy Management. Then click Add Proxy. Paste your proxy list here. Choose the format, and click Add Proxy. Once your proxies are added, select all of them and click Assign. Here, you have multiple options, one proxy per account or one proxy for multiple accounts. In this case, I'll assign one proxy to 3 accounts. Just select your account group, adjust the number of accounts you want, and click Assign Proxy. Finally, go back to Account Management. Select the accounts you've assigned proxies to, and open them to check if everything is working properly.